Arkansas, Little Rock, May the 19th, 1863. To Lucinda Grimmett. Dear wife, I avail myself of this opportunity to let you know that I am well at present, hoping when these few lines come to hand that they find you and the children enjoying the same like blessings. I just received a letter from John which give me much satisfaction to hear that you was all well and doing as well as could be expected, though he stated in his that you was very much disappointed when Joseph Shirey came back there for you, made sure that you would get a letter, though I did not. I was on guard when he came, and did not get off until late the next day, though I have wrote to you since that time, though you may not have gotten the letter. I have but little to write this time more than we have moved 4 miles southwest of Little Rock to Camp Price. The old man, Stephen, and Ann came by here today before yesterday, going to Saline County to get the things they left there. They will be back in a few days. They have moved to Independence County. They are living in an old hardened hustly place, near where we lived in Oil Trough Bottom. Charlie is not very well. He has got the flu, though he is up and about. Cinda, I want to see you and the children very bad, and I want you to write to me every opportunity, and let me know what luck you had with your sheep and hogs and all the balance of the stock, and how you are getting along with your work. I want you and George to lay your crop by some, and not kill yourself at the work in the hot sun. I long for the day to come that I will be set at liberty one time more, that I may come and stay with you, but I have no idea when that will be. We may stay here all summer, and we may leave here tomorrow morning. We are under marching orders all the time. I don't want you to grieve and study at me no more than you can help, for I will try to take care of myself the best I can, and I want you to do the same. I heard, since I has been writing this letter, that we will leave here in the morning, but we don't know where we will be going till we get there. Tell John and Jane that I would like to see them all very well, and as I can't get to see them, I wish them all the good luck that a heart can wish for, and want them to write me every opportunity, and you do the same. So I will come to a close by saying, I remain your affectionate husband until death. Jacob Grimmett.